So hello guys. Um, this is Lucid Plug here speaking. This is the US dollar index. I do not have access to the CME data, so that's why I'm trading the index, the E-mini Nasdaq index version of it. So are these I am shorting these here um to this downside liquidity here. See this here? Sell side liquidity minus sell side. That's where my target is. By the moment I'm getting to this here, I'm already taking my partial. And I also want to see whether we might gravitate to this level here. So you see my entries here. Let me tell you, I am just trying to get shorts into this thing, and it can't feel me. It somehow can feel me, and I end up delaying my entries. Okay, but this is what I am seeing. Took out these here. See that there? We had this here. Couldn't even get to the consequent equation of that. Watching this here. Of course, that will be used as an inversion fair value gap because that's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency there. So you're gonna see me working on the levels. So but I'll do them patiently waiting, and but you're just gonna observe me do that, okay? Um, and so you're not gonna hear me talking um while managing this trade, okay? So you're just gonna watch how it's gonna deliver, okay? I'm watching that too. That's my main thing, okay? So, God damn, I had to I had to come back here. I had to come back here. I have recorded how I took this trade here and how I was managing it, and I guess I have to say I am amazed by what gold is doing here. This is beautiful price delivery. So I am still watching how you see how price is using these um imbalances here. That's my main thing. So I will wanna bring back there that one there. So I'm done with that, and we're gonna see how that is delivered. Those were my entries there, shorts. See that at around 10:35, right after the CPI and the mid impact events. I don't even know what they are. Let me tell you. Um, that's the CPI, core CPI, CPI monthly, and CPI yearly. And at 10, prelim UAM consumer sentiment and prelim UOM inflation expectations. I don't give a fuck about all of that. What I give a fuck about mainly is how um these markets will utilize these levels here to deliver on these PD arrays. That's my main target. That's what I target mostly. Okay, that's what I do. So I'm just gonna take something out. Take out partials. Take out your partials. Take out your partials. Okay, take out your partials. So we took out something there. So let's watch how price is gonna use the other level there. Okay, take out that there. Yeah. So that's it. Let's see what's happening over there on the indices. Whoa, that's beautiful. So we also take out some partials. So I'm gonna take out um let's let's take out 8. So we have 7 and stop loss there. See that there? So I'm gonna wait and watch how price will use this here to gravitate to here. So that was my terminus. See that volume imbalance there? This little here. How to involve it. So that's it, guys. Yeah, let's see. Let's watch. Sit and watch.